everyone, Craig here from Clarion BTC. Let me tell you something that took me years to fully understand. The market is consistently testing your psychology, not just your strategy, your psychology. Anyone can stay disciplined when conditions are easy. The real test comes during the difficult periods, when the setups fail, when the volatility changes, when Bitcoin starts chopping sideways and nothing seems to follow through. That's when your emotions really get exposed. Fear, frustration, impatience, self-doubt. Every trader experiences these emotions, even professionals. The difference isn't whether you're feeling them. The difference is whether these emotions control your decisions. At Clarion BTC, we work hard to separate feelings from execution, and that's absolutely critical. You can feel fear and still follow your trading plan. You can feel doubt and still wait patiently for confirmation. You can feel frustrated and still manage your risk correctly. Here's something worth remembering. Emotions are information. They are not instructions. That mindset alone can completely change the way you trade. Most traders let emotions change their execution. Fear makes them take profits too early. Frustration leads to revenge trading. Impatience creates poor entries, and self-doubt destroys consistency. Professional traders acknowledge their emotions without allowing these emotions to make the decisions. And honestly, that's one of the hardest skills you'll ever develop as a trader, because modern Bitcoin markets are designed to test your emotion. Fast volatility, liquidation sweeps, fake breakouts, sharp reversals. If you don't learn to control yourself, the market will control you. So whenever you're going through a difficult period, slow things down. Reduce your position size. Fake breakouts, sharp reversals. If you don't learn to control yourself, the market will control you. So whenever you're going through a difficult period, slow things down. Reduce your position size. Take fewer trades and protect your mental clarity, because protecting your psychology is just as important as protecting your capital. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more Bitcoin trading education, market psychology, and disciplined risk management. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.